Welcome to Tech Repair Solution. Today I am going to show how to replace back camera for iPhone 11 Pro. We need one piece of new camera. Open the LCD very carefully because we will change camera. If you break LCD, you need new one. So very careful. I am using hot air gun. I make it this phone little hot to open LCD very gently. If you not make it hot, it's difficult to open. If you try without heating, maybe it will be break. Make hot gun 350 and air level 4. I use phone opener tool to open this LCD. First we need to disconnect the battery connection. Now I left off the old camera. I put now new camera. Before put it new camera, please carefully, there is no dirt. Now I put back camera cover lid and LCD lid. Connect the battery before close the phone. Before finish your job, make sure the camera is working fine. There is 3 camera. Test it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.